Hello, Sarah.
Hi, Jocelyn.
So I need some help with my finite math homework.
Alright.
I'm really having issues with sets and set operations.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
What do you have for, do you have your notes?
So I only have like a bunch of papers, like homework questions and stuff, but this one paper maybe will be just like one to start with, I think. Maybe.
Alright. So what problems are you exactly having trouble with?
Alright, so I'm having trouble with the vocabulary. Like, for example, like what is a subset?
So a subset pretty much means it's a set within a set. So you have like the big circle and then you have like a little circle in it.
Okay.
So maybe we can do this question.
Yeah, sure.
So is A subset of B?
Okay, so there aren't any circles in this question. Can we make them into circles on this
Yeah,
paper?
so that I would recommend doing that for all your problems, is making circles, and that's a good place to start.
Okay. Alright, so is this this A or B?
Which one do you think is going to be the bigger set?
Probably B because there's a lot of numbers in that.
Yeah, so maybe we should make that B.
B, okay. And then just write the numbers in it?
Yep.
Okay. So does it matter where they go?
Maybe put the evens and odds together.
Okay.
Just because A has even numbers, so.
Okay.
And now, so you have set B, now you need A in there. So are the numbers already in there, in A?
The numbers from B?
Yeah, are like.
Yes.
So can you circle those for me?
Yeah, so 2, 4, 6, and 8.
Alright, so now you'll probably want to make this one big circle so they're
Okay.
all A.
Okay, so this one is A.
So is A subset of B?
Yes.
Alright.
Cool, yeah. Awesome. So now this one looks hard because there's no numbers in this one. So I see an event diagram. So should I just draw like 2 circles like that?
Yep, and don't
Okay.
forget to put the box around it for the universe.
Oh yeah, see, I forgot about that.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's U.
Mhm.
Universe. Okay, so now, does it matter which one's A or B?
Nope.
Okay, so I'll just make this one A and that one B. So, do I do what I did before, just write all of the numbers in all of them, or the letters?
You could, but do you see anything in these two that kind of match, overlap, are the same thing?
The same, so
Yeah.
they both have an S and an I.
Okay, so where do you think those two go?
Those go in the universe?
Nope, because these are both in the sets, so
yeah.
they're both going to be included in the circle.
Okay, so in the middle.
Yeah.
Okay. Do I label the middle? Like, is it C?
No, that's just where they intersect.
Oh. Alright, so the S and the I are in the intersect. So do I just take all the other letters and just fill them in the bubbles that they say over here?
Yeah, put them in their like actual bubbles. Like don't put like an H in the B because
Does it matter what order I write them?
no.
Okay. So H, T, T-O-R-Y-M-U-C.
Yep.
Is that good? Does anything go in the universe?
No, because it doesn't say anything goes out there.
Oh,
There's like
okay.
nothing left.
Okay.
If there was like J left, then you would like put it, but
Oh, okay.
there's nothing left over.
Okay, so now this is the hard part. It says, what is A under thingy B? What does that mean?
So that actually means union, and the one that's flipped upside down means intersection. So union means or, so A or B, while intersection means and, which is A and B.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's tricky.
So
Okay.
if you were to read this question, what is A union B, what would you first think to shade in?
Okay. So what is A or B? So A
Yeah.
or B would be all of them?
Yeah, so that
Okay.
sometimes it's easier if you shade them in.
Okay.
So it can give you like a better depiction of like.
So like everything, literally.
Yeah.
Because it's or, so that's everything.
So then how would you write this in to answer the question?
So like A union B, that thingy, and then all the letters.
Yeah.
But I don't repeat them, right?
No, because you already put I and S, you don't want to repeat it because that would
Okay.
mean that they're in there again.
Oh, like 2 times?
Yeah.
Oh.
When they're really only in there once.
Okay. So this should seem obvious, but what does the intersection mean?
All right, so maybe you can draw this again so then you
Okay.
can shade it.
Good idea. It's a lot of drawing for math.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what is A intersect B?
That's and. So the middle part?
Mm-hmm.
Do I color it in too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you know why it's just the middle part?
Because it's or. I mean and.
Yeah.
So these are in both A and B?
Yeah.
Awesome. So I'm writing it, so I only put S and I one time.
Yep.
Okay, so that means that they both have it one time.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense. Those are fun. All right.
All right. So do you like the drawing out the Venn diagrams?
Yes, it helped me see it better. I can't just picture it in my head, and all these words are confusing for me. So I really like how you have me draw out multiple times. I think it really helped me because I'm a visual learner. So I like seeing things written in front of me.
All right. So maybe for the next one we should draw out it again, and so
Okay.
you have that repetition of the drawing instead of just overlapping all your colors.
Okay, I like that. Alright, so what does this mean again, this little C?
So that means A complement, and that means everything not in A.
Oh, okay. So, let me fill in my Venn diagrams here. So everything not in A.
Mm-hmm.
So, is that this SI too? Is that included?
Is that in A or is it in A
It is.
and B?
It is. So, just that MUC.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then would you just shade B or would you shade the universe too?
Oh, okay. So it's all in the box too because it's not an A.
Yeah.
Even though there's nothing there.
Yeah, even though there's
Okay.
nothing there, if there were something there, you would add it because it's not in A.
Oh, okay. See, this is really helpful to see all of them laid out and I can compare them visually.
Yeah.
I like that.
Is this starting to like make more sense?
Yes,
or-
that makes a lot of sense. I like comparing like the union and the intersection. Like that makes more sense now, and then I can see them visually and that. Okay, so now this next question is really hard for me because it's a word problem and it's like really overwhelming.
All right, so let's just start and read the problem and see what it is. To plan the number of meals to be prepared in a college cafeteria, a survey was conducted and the following data was obtained. How many students are? So, where do you think you should start with this problem?
Okay, so based on the homework, I'm assuming it's a Venn diagram.
Mm-hmm.
So start with like a square for the universe
Yep.
and then 2 circles.
Let's see. So we have students who ate breakfast, student who ate lunch, and students who ate dinner.
Okay, so
So
3 circles.
yeah.
Okay.
So do you remember anything about Venn diagrams that you have to plug in the numbers to?
What I think I remember is something like work in and go out.
Mm-hmm. That's a good place to start.
Awesome. Okay, so I see here it says 54 students ate all 3 meals, so that's the middle one, I think.
Yeah.
So start with that one.
Yep.
Okay, so 54. Okay, now it's a little confusing because there's like so many words and numbers. Like, what should I start with?
So now that you have your middle number, what is like the next section that's like connected to it?
It's like these 3 ones.
Yeah.
Okay.
And what do those consist of?
So not all 3, but like 2.
Yeah,
Like
so
what, like 2 of
it'd be
each?
like lunch and breakfast, dinner and breakfast, and
Okay.
they give you those
Oh,
numbers.
they give me them. Oh, okay. So 87 ate lunch and dinner. So we're at 87 here?
But
Okay.
is that including the 54 or excluding the 54?
Oh, so it's probably students ate lunch and dinner. So they ate lunch and dinner too.
Yeah.
Okay, so like subtract it.
Yep.
Okay, so 87 minus 54 is 33. Okay.
So does that make sense why you would do that?
It does. Now that it's like you're explaining it to me and like talking with me about it, it makes more sense instead of just like converting words to picture. That's like
Yeah, because if you were to put 87 there, it'd be kind of like double dipping.
Oh.
And like you don't want to like double dip those students because you've already counted them. You don't want to recount them.
Oh yeah, true. Okay. Okay, so let me just do some subtraction just to get all my numbers and make sure I don't double dip with anything. So 129 minus 33 minus 51 equals, okay, so, okay, so my numbers.
All right.
Okay, so now, first question, how many students ate at least one meal?
Yep.
Okay, so I'm assuming we add up all these numbers. I think.
Ate at least one meal. So
At
what
home.
does at least one meal mean to you?
Like one or more.
All right.
Okay, so all these people ate at least one or more.
Yep.
So add all the numbers up?
Yep.
Okay. Easy enough. The next one, how many students ate only dinner in the cafeteria? So I think this one would just be like, is it just this big one right here, like the big number in dinner? Because they only ate dinner? Like these ones ate dinner and breakfast, so this is the only one they ate dinner,
Yeah.
right?
Mhm.
Okay. So $129.
You definitely hit that one on the head with like a lot of people might think it's the entire thing, but because they only ate dinner, it's this little one, and these ones they ate dinner and something else.
Okay, yeah, awesome. Yep, this graph just makes these answers easier to answer. How many students ate exactly 2 meals? Okay, this one seems easy, but it's a little tricky. Like I can't think about it as clearly. Can you like help walk me through this one?
Alright, so we can kind of just start from like outward and go in.
Okay.
So how many meals did these 3 people eat?
3. Wait, 1.
Yeah.
Okay,
So is that exactly 2?
Oh, no.
And so we can like we can just like cross that out.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, so do you need help with anything else? Is there any other homework problems, questions you'd like to go over?
I think I feel pretty confident right now.
All right, so does this kind of help put together like the sections you've learned previously and how it all like goes together, like how these are sets within each other, and then there's like the universe and how you have like your elements on the inside.
Yeah, it definitely made it more clear and like starting with just the subsets and then adding in the union and intersections and then adding in the complement. Yep, all of that like just added nice like steps and made it really easy to comprehend.
And I can tell you definitely are a visual learner, so maybe for future references we'll definitely do a lot more drawings, or we can definitely write things out, maybe even use the whiteboard to kind of just make it a little more visual so you can like get it better, and then like in your homework draw things out if it's not making sense. Just really like use that visual learning technique to really help you.
Yeah, I think that'll definitely help me more, and it helps me know that I actually can learn easier this way. It'll probably make it quicker and easier for me to continue with my finite math.
Yeah, I mean, there's also, you can make more one-on-one appointments with me. You can also have study group on Thursday before class. I'm actually in class if you have any questions. There's drop-in Tuesday through Friday. You can go see the teacher and she'll help you too. And she's really nice, so you can make one-on-one appointments with her if I'm not available. So you just have all these resources that you can really just have access to.
We gotta utilize these resources.
Yeah.
I appreciate it. Thank you for letting me know.
You're welcome.